I have figured out that I can use a different methods to get the prop that I'm after. So I printed this today, 2 sets of this, and this might just be the solution. This is a totally 3D printed one. Well, this is just what remains from this type of juice. So I just started here and remove, damn it, and remove the writing. And I did this, and then I hot glue these items to it, and I think it'll be much better because the other one I've printed, this one, is leaking for some reason. I tried to make it watertight with this Carline, whatever the hell this is used for properly, and that creates a seal, but not 100% for some reason. So I'm thinking this might be a better solution, and I get to glue the the bit for the power, and I get to have a nice little holder for the water pump as well that I've incorporated in this one. So this will be holding the actual thing that will allow me to connect to power, like this, for instance. Let me try that. You know what? One hand is too hard. So that will go just right here, and then to a power source. Then we got this that holds the pump and super glue it. This one is to hold the actual tube, which is gonna be really good, so I can space it out properly. And this little bit holds the water level sensor, and I'm using a a wire to hold it. It's nice and doesn't go away anywhere time soon. So yeah, I think this might be a better way to go. This takes about 3 hours to print. Well, all four of these on a raft. Well, this takes 7-8 hours, and it's not super watertight, so I might just go with that. And yeah, if anyone needs these to maybe build this or follow me and do this contraption, do let me know. I might actually post it on Thingiverse. I don't know yet where this is going. I'm just exploring and still don't know where and how, but it is what it is, and there you have it, my little update to what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.